new addition to the Love Studio, the Millenium HD-50 drum kit. Well, as you could see in the demo by my daughter Miriam, who is a professional drummer, this is just a very nice little kit, very suitable for home recording and as a practice kit at home. So I'm now going to show you how to record this drum kit. I'm using Ardour for this. Creating a new session. Okay, let's choose a MIDI track, and I'm choosing my input, or well, the drum kit. Now I'm checking the input. It's set correct. It's just a plug and play. Plug it in, and it does its work. Testing if I'm receiving a signal. And now let's record. Well, fair warning, I'm not a very good drummer. That's why I asked Miriam to do it. Well, to say I'm not a very good drummer is the understatement of the century, I'm afraid. But as you can see, it simply works, and that's all there is to it. So what can I tell about the Millenium HD-50? Well, it's a cheap drum kit. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to connect to your system, your DAW, and it's easy to record. Especially in combination with AVLDrums or another drum kit that allows you to have a MIDI as an input. And as I said, it's very affordable. It was only 160 euros, and for this it's the best bang for the buck I could get.